Little, are you smarter than a 5th grader? Let's see how smart or dumb the two of us really are. So, if any of you know or any of you have kids, these are great little flashcards I used to have for my kids. Brain Quest. This is grade 5. I found this at Goodwill, and I picked this up because I didn't think my husband would be able to answer most of these questions. And he was with me when I bought it, and he couldn't answer most of these questions.
I can't answer math questions.
So, let's
I'll tell you right now, I'm not a math whiz.
We're going to go back and forth. All right, we're just going to go randomly. The distance around a circle is called its perimeter, area, or its circumference. The distance around a circle. Is it called the perimeter, the area, or the circumference?
Well, the circumference. Isn't it?
Ding, ding, ding. He got that one right.
What's the circumference?
All right, 1 point for Brett.
Perimeter, if it was like a fucking square. In which direction is latitude measuring? East, west, or north and south?
East to west.
Nope, north to south.
Oh, shit. Latitude, longitude.
Longitude.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, latitude.
1 to 0. See, I'm clearly not smarter than a 5th grader.
Just don't give me math. I'm fine. I might do good old math, maybe 5th grader math.
You can do this one. Multiply 6.5 by 10.
No, I don't want to.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to do that.
Okay.
See, because I'm so to a point where I gotta get let me pull the calculator out and I'll get it done.
Oh, okay. How many of the 50 states share borders with at least one other state? How many of the 50 states share borders with at least one other state?
Well, that's 50. No. 48.
Yep.
Because Alaska and Hawaii.
Alaska
I was like, why did I see 50? I'm like, yeah, no, it's 50. No, it's 48.
48. I would have made that so much harder than it needed to be. I would have been like,
Look, because they all border one another.
What, Bubba?
Who lives in Transylvania? Dr. Frankenstein or Count Dracula?
Transylvania. It's Dracula.
Yes.
I got one right, Bubba.
What was the goal of Spanish missionaries in North and South America?
What was the goal of
Spanish missionaries in North and South America?
And South America.
After Columbus landed.
What was their goal?
What was their goal of the missionaries and Spanish missionaries?
I have no idea.
Because Columbus sailed for Spain.
Uh-huh.
And on top of that, he had the Red Cross, which would stand for the Knights Templars. But the missionaries in North and South America in the 1600s was to spread Christianity.
Oh, that's what they came over here for?
That's kind of one of the reasons why they didn't come over. They came over here for fucking gold.
That's what I was thinking. They came over here to look for.
To farm tobacco.
That's kind of what I thought. They was coming over here to look for treasures and stuff.
No, they always say Columbus.
Like treasures in our land.
They always say Columbus was leaving to find a passage to India, but that's bullshit. They knew it was here a long time. They just saw it as a massive amount of land that they could grow crops and not have to go to India and get taxed out their ass and buying all that shit.
At what point in the life cycle does decomposition begin?
What do you mean? It's dead. Decomposition there's no life cycle there. It's fucking dead.
That is the answer. The answer is death. At what point in the life cycle? So the life
That's
cycle
death.
is death.
That's a fucking stupid question. It kind of trips you up. Like,
yeah.
wait, no life
You're
cycle.
Like, wait a minute.
There's no life cycle.
What's part of life cycle? Yeah.
No, you're dead.
These questions, I think they're intentionally made to kind of
trick you up.
Yeah. What do we call the underwater land from which a continent rises?
A shelf.
That's good. Good job. A continent shelf. Never even heard of this shit before. So,
oh Jesus Christ!
Did you get any of these right yet? Let's do a few more.
This has got to be one of the stupidest ones. What New York City landmark was destroyed in September 11th of 2001?
Does it seriously say that?
Yes, it does. That's why I'm reading it.
Oh, World Trade Center.
You sure?
Twin Towers.
Would you like a lifeline? Will you back up?
Oh, yeah, so do they are. Go lay down, Bubba.
Is the Grand Canyon in American Northwest or Southwest?
Southwest.
Yes. That's stupid.
I'm going to Vegas in February. I was thinking about getting a car and going to see it.
Well, you gotta see it. You have to fucking see it. It's one of those things.
Well, me and Andy are going, so it's probably something to do.
It's one of those things where you'll drive and you'll wait and then it'll fucking pop up on you and you're like, Jesus Christ.
It's like a 3-hour drive from Vegas, isn't it?
No.
Or hour?
Well,
hour and a half, maybe?
An hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yeah, we definitely have to do that.
Put in order of inventions: computer, television, radio, telephone.
Okay. Computer is last. What was it? Computer, radio, television,
Telephone.
telephone.
Computer is last, you're right.
So I'm thinking the radio
Is first?
is first.
No.
So
Telephone's
the telephone's
first.
first. So then telephone, radio.
Telephone was invented
Television.
in like 1870s, 1880s, and then the radio came along.
12s or right after the 19th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Television wasn't until like the 20s.
Yeah, that wasn't until later than that.
No, it was the 20s. 20s before. It's one of those things where
Because
when it's
Dad was
invented,
getting
once it's invented, and then once there's a pure
mainstream
application,
America could actually afford
application,
it.
yeah.
Why do you have so many people calling
What do you think?
you? You need to block the number.
I did, and it's which company was the first to produce cars for the public? General Motors or Ford?
Say it again.
Which company was first to produce cars for the public? General Motors or Ford?
Ford. Ford was always first.
Yeah. No, Ford's not the first car to be invented.
All right, we're going to do a few more and then wrap this up. Let's see. In Canada, you spend Canadian dollars. What do you spend in Mexico?
Pesos.
Yep. What do we call a space that has no matter in it?
Dark matter.
No.
Vacuum of space.
Yeah, shut up. The temperature was -10. It rose 12 degrees. What's the new temperature? Oh, this is math. I'm sorry.
What? Well, no, wait. It's
If the temperature was -10 and it rose 12 degrees, what's your new temperature?
-2.
Yeah. No, +2, not negative.
Well, you said
Close.
negative.
-10.
Oh, negative. I thought you said -12. My fault. Yeah, that would be 2. Ugh.
Which word has more than one meaning? Iris or orchid?
Iris.
Mm-hmm. And which day of the week does election day always fall?
Falls on a Tuesday in November.
Yep.
First Tuesday in November.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Are you smarter than a 5th grader? We did pretty well, I think.
I did pretty well.
Yeah, you did way better. You did way better than me.